This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Jim Stanley. Nothing nicer than new, and this beautiful home offers new construction, in a nice rural neighborhood, with a big split floor plan. The master bedroom offers a big master bath, walk-in closet, second closet and plenty of room. The second and third bedrooms are roomy. The great room is ready to be the center of family gatherings, with a stylish kitchen part of entertaining with family and friends. The big 2-car attached garage has plenty of room, and you have both a covered front porch and a covered back porch. Don't wait to see this beautiful home. For more information, review the details below or contact Jim Stanley at 479-264-7294.